Forms of water. Water exists in three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous state or gas state. What is solid state of water? We call solid form of water as ice. In ice, the water gets solidified because of cooling. In the refrigerator, in the tray, when we keep water and freeze it, then it becomes solid. After freezing, it becomes solid. So ice is solid state of water. That ice, when it gets heated up, when we place it outside, then that form of water is liquid form. The ice, when it gets heated up, it melts, and this is called as liquid form of water. This liquid water, when it is on the ground or when we boil it, then it gets evaporated and it is called as water vapor. This evaporated water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Due to sunlight on the roads or in ponds, lakes also, the water gets evaporated. Or otherwise, in a bowl, when we heat the water, boil the water, then we can see that due to increase in temperature by heating, it gets evaporated. That is called as water vapor, which is in gaseous form or gas state. So solid form of water is solidified ice in our freezer, or even in some polar regions or very cool areas when the snow falls, the tiny flakes of snow are also solidified water. Liquid state of water is found in ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans and seas. This is a river in which the water flows when the water is in liquid state. In that area, suppose the temperature is too low, then due to cooling, the liquid water will get solidified. Because of decrease in temperature, the liquid water gets solidified and forms solid ice. Gaseous form of water is steam. When we boil the water in a bowl, then you can see that the steam is coming out. A small cloud of steam is coming out. So liquid water, when its temperature is too high, that is when it is boiled by providing heat, that heat can be due to sun rays or when we are heating it on the stove, then that liquid water will get converted, due to rise in temperature, it gets converted to gaseous form of water, which is water vapor. So this is our common experience, children. During summer, when we are traveling on the road, far it appears that little water is present on the road, but actually that is the water vapor. From far it appears that water is there, but when we go close to it, there won't be any water. Actually, from far, the water which is evaporating and has formed gaseous water vapor, that only appears like water is present on the road, but when we go close to it, there won't be any water. So that is actually the water vapor, with the water which is evaporating from the land or road is in gaseous state because of summer season, that is too much hot sunlight. So as that water is getting evaporated from far, it appears to us as if water is present on the ground or in the air. So this is the gaseous form of water, which is called as water vapor.